video. Hi, who are you? Hi. Okay, goodbye. Yeah! And we have all of our bees. Bucko Bee, my first bee. He's the best bee I have. No, he's probably not the best bee, but he's my favorite bee we have. Fire, we got the rest of them. I forget their names. But yeah, who cares? Let's go. So yeah, in the last video, we went up there. And then not you, Panda. It was like science bee. Very up there, I guess. Extremely up there. Science bee. And I'm pretty broke right now. I don't have that much honey. But we need honey. I need to collect some. Hi. Let's collect honey. Let's collect honey bees. Yeah. Collecting. Yeah. Yeah, stuff. Yeah, I'm doing stuff. Woo. Yeah, doing stuff. What are you doing? Oh no. Oh wait, honey, I need that. I'm pretty broke right now, so can I please have this? Oh, more honey. I need that as well. Can you just give me all the honey? Because I really need some. Yeah. Need that honey. There's so much people here. It's just the feeding grounds for all the people. All the honey comes here. Yeah, I need all the honey. Give me all the honey. Need more honey, please. Pretty broke right now. Okay, please. Okay, I'm leaving. Yeah. Stuff. I can go there, but I want to go to the tent place. Slingshot. Slingshot's awesome. I can go there. That's awesome. Let's use the slingshot. Yeah, I'm here. I want to use this, but I can't. It's too expensive. I'll be officially broke if I use that. Honey! I see honey! Okay. This snail probably gives a lot of honey. So, can you just kill it? Oh, please just kill it. No, I don't want my... Can your bees die? Because I do not want them to die. Please tell me. Bees, come over here. I don't want you guys... Stop, there's so much. I'm leaving. Oh no. Oh, what's this? We found glue. Oh, cool. Glue is awesome. Oh no, my bees are probably gonna die. Follow me, bees. Don't die. No, pray mantis things. Did any of you die? No, I don't think any of you died. Hopefully. I don't really remember that much of you. I have 10 of you, so... I fell. Okay, well I'm leaving because I'm bored. Eco, jump on. No, get them, please, get them. Please, come on. You need to give me some honey. Oh yeah, honey, I need that. I need that stuff. Give me. Oh, more honey. Yeah, I need that stuff as well. Honey. Okay, come on, everyone. We need to get going. I don't want to go there. It's boring. Yeah. Okay. I want to get another baby, but I can't afford it. I sadly cannot afford it. He's too expensive. I wish I could afford it. That'd be awesome. But I cannot. Sadly. So yeah. Good. Okay. Oh wait, no, wait, stuff is happening over here. I love stuff. Do that. And yes! Stuff is happening. That's great. Give me all the stuff. Oh wait, no, what's happening? Stuff is happening. But what kind of stuff is happening? That's the question. There's so much over here. We all want to do stuff because it looks cool. What's happening? happening? Is there stuff? Oh, I want that. Oh, there's a lot of stuff. Oh, there's a lot of stuff. Too much stuff. Oh, there's a lot of stuff. Oh, yes. 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 This is exactly what I need. There's so much stuff. Yes. Yes. Oh, yes. So much stuff. It's unbelievable. Yes. This is exactly what I need. Oh, yeah. Yes. 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 Oh, I want the honey. Yeah! I need this stuff so I can get more bees. Because right now I'm pretty broke, so I can't get any bees. I spent too much on bees. Oh, there's so much stuff here. I want to stay, but it's pretty boring. I just want the stuff. I'm saying stuff a lot. It makes sense, I'm new here. Stuff, stuff, stuff! Penguins! Yeah, I love penguins, they're awesome. Oh, what was that? Any more stuff? I think all the stuff is gone. I'm leaving now. Okay, I think I made some honey out of that. So that wasn't a waste of my time at all. Okay, everybody, make me honey. I need honey, so please make me honey. I need honey. Yeah, go guys, come on, you can do it. I believe in you. I really believe in you. Yeah, more honey. Woohoo! It's taking one time. Okay. Just gonna wait. Yeah, wait. Awesome. Gonna wait. Yeah. Also, guys, me and my brothers just got a new gaming PC. So it's awesome. Except we only have a few games on there. We have Fortnite, but I hate Fortnite. It sucks. It's not that good. There's only like one other game on there. Maybe two. But that's it. Because we are broke and we can't afford another game. That actually costs money. So yeah. But if we get a game I like Minecraft, because Minecraft is amazing in every single way, then I will play it and record it and post it. So yeah. Okay, we need more honey. Guys, I'm gonna be back in 1 second. I just need to collect 50,000 honey. Back, and I have honey. I just hope this is enough. Please tell me it's enough. Come on. Yes! Yes! I'm gonna be broke after this again, but I don't care. I have 5 royal jellies and I'm here to spend them all. So let me buy this. Seriously, I have so much stuff. I don't even know what half of these do. Actually, it's more like 95% of them. I just know what royal jellies do. And some treats. I have a lot of those. Let's go to my bees and let's see the newest bee to the bee noob clan. The noobier bee clan. Where should I put this one? Put you. No. Let me. Okay, there we go. Right there. Yes. Hey, we got a basic bee. Let's change the basic bee. Something awesome. Transfer basic bee. Auto jelly is on, and auto jelly settings selected are extremely rare. Huh? What is this supposed to mean? Okay. What? Okay, what settings do I have? Oh, wait, I don't even know what this is. Just do that. Oh, I don't want another bumblebee. I'm probably gonna have to spend another one of my royal jellies. What? Where's my royal jellies? Wait, what? Grade 5! Ah! What? What? Huh? Okay, all royal jellies just disappeared? I had 5, right? I'm pretty sure I had 5, but now I have 0 for some reason. I am so confused. Yeah. Okay. Because, let me just feed them. Feed them.
Christian, are you gonna come up and eat lunch?
I was recording them. I'm just gonna finish as I said this. I'm just gonna cut this part. Well, let me feed them. I don't want to feed you. Not you. That'd be cool. Love. Like 101 because yeah and stuff. So yeah, because she's so yeah, because she's so yeah, because she's so yeah. Nope. That will take all of mine to level up.
Okay.
What? Not even all of mine. Well, guys, I'm gonna stop the video here because why not? So yeah and stuff. I spent $8,000 on an egg, and then I have 5 roly jellies, and then all my roly jellies disappear.
Here, I'll take this one.
Things are here.
One time it was so hard for you to pick them.
Okay. I'm pretty bad. I just give this charms to you.
You still like this?
All 3. Yeah. So happy now. So guys, that's the video. See you in the next one. Hey,
Oh, there we go.